which means you're right on time. For what, you ask? Why, a story. See, I'm not just a seagull who carries the mail. I'm a bird with a talent for telling a tale. And I've got a good one about Duffy and friends. So come settle in. It's the tale of the friendship. You can help me begin. Nothing sets the scene like the sound of the waves. Oh! Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Come on! Whoosh, 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 whoosh. It all started on a lovely summer day at Duffy's playhouse.
There is blue, stretching as far as my eye can see. What a view! How the waves make the water look wild and free. As I stare at its beauty and wonder, I wonder so thoughtfully, what does the ocean, what does the ocean, what does the ocean mean to me? Ciao, Duffy. Hi, Gelatoni. What are you looking at? I don't know. The ocean is so big. That's true. When I paint the ocean, I never can decide from where to where. Paint is in the ocean, it's the one. And when I choose the colors, it's more than shades of blue. The ocean's white and pink and green. It's on purple too. I never thought of that.
Soon more friends came over to play.
Cookie Ann, hello.
Duffy asked what they thought of the ocean out the window.
I look at the ocean and breathe in its beauty. It smells like the tropics, so fresh and so fruity. Wow, the ocean makes you think of tropical fruits? Oh yes. Oh, LaMel. How about you? Watching the birds playing tag with the tide. I feel there's a melody forming inside. The ocean gives you ideas for music? That's amazing! Well, you all are inspired by the ocean, and oh, that is plain to see. But what does the ocean? What does the ocean? What does the ocean mean? What does it mean to me? What does the ocean? What does it mean to me? Hi, Lena Bell. Hi. What are you doing? Everyone's sharing the wonderful ideas they have when they look at the ocean. Well, everyone but me. Don't worry, Duffy. Sometimes there's more to see if you take a closer look. I see something. On the cove in the distance. I wonder what it is. Maybe it's something wonderful. I have an idea. We should go investigate. That sounds like fun. Yes, come on. Let's go.
And so, Duffy and friends left the playhouse and went to the beach. Meanwhile, at the beach, Shelly May was making a seashell bracelet for a friend. She wondered who she should give the bracelet to, but she didn't have to wonder for long.
Hi, Shelly May. What are you making? A bracelet out of seashells. Just listen to the sound it makes. Beautiful. Maybe you could add this sound to your dance. Great.
want to dance along, doesn't it? Go ahead.
When we spotted something mysterious in this cove, so we came to investigate. There it is! What do you think it is? Do you think it's a plane? Do you think it's a plane? Do you think it can float? Maybe it can float.
Do you think it's a drone?
Ba-ba-bum-bum, 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 ba-bum. Wait, I think it's a boat. A boat. I have an idea. Why don't we fix it up and decorate it so that we can get on the boat and use our imaginations to go on an ocean voyage together? Everybody get in line. I've got tools here to assign. I can lead the boat's design. We'll make it strong. I can check the fence for balance. By combining all our talents, we'll create our boat together all the way. 'Cause working together always wins the day. Yes, working together always wins the day. We all have skills to spare and great ideas to share. So with hard work and care, we can repair what's broken too and dream of something new. It's amazing how togetherness comes through. Great job, everyone! It won't be long now before we're on our adventure. All in with care, I'll use that scrap. I'll mend this hair, I'll fill that gap.
To the rhythm that I tap.
We'll tap along, working swiftly and so steady. Now our boat is almost ready to pour our boat together. With all our curiosity and all our creativity and all we dreamed our boat could be, the best of friends by land or sea. We're on our way, 'cause working together always wins the day.
The boat was finished. Well, almost finished.
Hey, who's going to steer the boat? And how?
The answer came with a gust of wind.
Look, a ship's wheel. That's just what we need to complete our boat. Oh no! Where's the wheel going? Look! The wind got it! It's over there! I can still see it. Duffy can save it! He got it! Great job! Yay! Spectacular! I knew it! Thank you, Duffy. You know, you look very official at the ship's wheel. Captain Duffy, take us on a voyage.
But Duffy was a bit hesitant.
I went on a lot of ocean voyages with Mickey, but he was the captain. I don't know quite what to do. but I do have stories I can share. Oh, yes! Once upon a time.
A story can take you to waters unknown without ever leaving the shore.
Where did you sail, Duffy?
A story can sweep you right off of your feet to places you've not been before.
We sailed all the way across the ocean.
A story transports you right from the start if you open your mind and your heart.
There were birds flying over our heads, a beautiful breeze, and the sun was shining so brightly.
I hear the birds, I feel the breeze, I see the sun. It's like we're there too.
See, that's what a story can do.
Then what happened, Duffy? Well, then...
The boat rocked them gently and listened intently to Duffy's spectacular tale.
We sailed across the sea, Captain Mickey and me.
Just blue skies and billowing sails.
And one day, we made it all the way to the other side of the world. Wow!
And as they imagined the water below, his stories enraptured them so. Oh, how they laughed, oh, how they dreamed, oh, how they smiled, and how the time flew. Yes, that's what a story can do. With every once upon a time, they wished that day could be longer. And with every come hear this story of mine, their friendship grew stronger.
Stronger and stronger and stronger.
But just like a story, the day has to end.
The sun is beginning to set. I wish we could stay here forever.
But memories continue and stories stay with you in ways that you'll never forget.
Maybe tomorrow we can do this again. We love hearing your stories, Duffy. Really? We do? Then tomorrow it is. You know what? I really had fun telling you about my adventures. Thank you all for listening. We're thankful for you.
Yes, that's what a story can do. Yes, it was time to go home. But just before they left,
See you tomorrow, little boat. Wait, we forgot to give our boat a name. That's right. What should it be? I have an idea. Maybe something special. Maybe it's that's a great idea. Yeah, right. Let's do it. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. With all our curiosity and all our creativity, and all we dream our boat could be the best of friends by land and sea.
they named it the
Friendship. We did it! Marty has a picture. That name is music to my ears. Well, the time that we spent all together, and making this memory, the friendship. That's what the ocean, that's what the ocean, that's what the ocean,
That's what it means.
to me.
Well, folks, that's my story for today. Gotta fly now, but so do you. You have many ocean adventures ahead. And just like Duffy, I know you'll return from your journeys with plenty of stories to share. Bye